I'm in the kitchen, and today I made some fresh, raw tahini. Would you like to see? I took the sesame seeds, I put them in here. I added some lemon juice from the garden with these lemons that have not turned yellow yet, but they're still good. And I added a little sea salt and a little bit of distilled water. And then I turn it on like this. I press the button. And then that turned into this lovely tahini, homemade from raw sesame seeds. I also made some beautiful chickpeas that I soaked overnight and then prepared in the Instant Pot with some distilled water and a little sea salt. And I made a salad with that, mixed with the tahini and fresh cucumbers from the garden, fresh lemon juice, and a little bit of cilantro, and that was just delicious. There you go. Have a great day. Bye.